Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can use keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. So for instance, on this clip I want to zoom in over here, but in frames, I guess. I don't know. I hope you understand that. But to do that, I'm just going to in the beginning of the clip, select the clip and then select this keyframe bit over here. And then at kind of at the end of the clip right here, I'm just going to add another keyframe and I'm just going to zoom in. Oh wait, hold on. Let me just put it here. Okay. Then I'm going to zoom in and then the keyframe will be red, because I already put a keyframe at the beginning of the clip and it will zoom in, but at the end it's going to sort of zoom out again because the keyframe isn't applied, I think. But that's pretty much how you can use keyframes in DaVinci Resolve. You can also do it for position, rotation angle, pitch, etc. You can pretty much do the same thing. So add a keyframe at the beginning and then change the size at the end, and then it'll sort of lock itself like so. That is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!